Hunter Industries is thrilled to be here in our hometown of San Diego at the 2021 Irrigation Show and Education Week. This year is extra special because we're celebrating our 40th anniversary. We are so thankful to mark 4 decades of innovation, collaboration, and partnership with our customers around the globe. As a leading provider of irrigation and outdoor lighting solutions, we continually seek new ways to incorporate cutting-edge technology into our world-class products, so you can deliver the best experience possible to your customers with every installation. And we have no plans to stop. Going forward, we'll continue to push the boundaries of innovation and providing you with exceptional products, tools, and service you need to grow your business over the next 40 years and beyond. Now, let's hear a few words from our Division President, Gene Smith, and CEO, Greg Hunter.
Welcome to San Diego and the 2021 IA Show. It's good to be with you face to face. Seriously, I've missed it, and I'm sure all of you have as well. I'm Gene Smith. I'm the president of Hunter Industries. I was listening to everyone coming up to each other and greeting each other, and the words I heard from most of you is family about Hunter, consistency of relationships about Hunter, and lead from the heart. That's what we do. And I'm proud of that, and all manufacturers or people in this industry should do. So without further ado, I would like to introduce Greg Hunter, the CEO of Hunter Industries, to say a few words.
40 years is a long time. So it kind of brought me back to 40 years ago. I actually went and spent the summer with my grandparents. We were living in California. We were living in Colorado at the time. And Hunter had started, and I got to build my first sprinkler at 8 years old on the carousel that wasn't working yet. And I built a Series 75 rotor, which, if any of you have been using our products for 40 years, you know also wasn't working yet. But anyways, from that moment in time, I fell in love with Hunter Industries and our products and what we do, and it's kind of been a lifelong journey for me. People used to ask my dad what my grandfather would think of Hunter, and I think somebody asked him that around our 25th anniversary, and he said he would be just absolutely amazed of where we are, what we've accomplished, and the company we've become. And I, standing on the shoulders of, my aunt and uncle and my father and my grandfather, I feel really blessed to be here today. To literally be on a pedestal for Hunter Industries to celebrate this moment of our 40th anniversary and really where we are and how we've got here. And fundamentally, we're here because of everybody here. We're here, special thanks to the Irrigation Association, which has been a part of my life probably longer than I would have liked it to be. But, the support of the IA, all of you here who are our customers, all of the employees that we have, all the people we've done business with over the years who are part of the association are why we're here and why we've accomplished what we've accomplished. And thank you so much for that. The toast I want to make is to myself looking back 40 years from now and being even more amazed as what Hunter Industries has become. And I thank all of you for making that happen in the future. So cheers.
Over the past 40 years, our core value of innovation has pushed us to develop better products and processes. Our drive to innovate has led to a multitude of groundbreaking inventions in a range of product categories. We brought the revolutionary PGP rotor to market, which triggered a shift towards more water-efficient technology. This adjustable, durable, gear-driven rotary sprinkler with easy-to-install nozzles gave irrigation pros a powerful new product option. And 40 years later, it still reigns as the top choice in the industry. We invented additional technologies to move us into the 21st century. Our HydroWise and Centralis irrigation management platforms set the industry standard for excellence in automatic irrigation control. Today, these platforms represent the forefront of smart irrigation technology. We also applied our extensive knowledge of two-wire irrigation technology to create the award-winning Luxor lighting control system. This best-in-class, low-voltage offering provides zoning, dimming, color selection, and total smart home integration all in one powerful system. And we're just getting started. To help increase your knowledge, skills, and profits, we also offer comprehensive training programs through Hunter University. Check out our new Irrigation Installation Fundamentals program to gain knowledge about the components and techniques required to install an irrigation system. Or advance your lighting design expertise with the new Lighting Designer or Luxor Controller Specialist programs. From basic product knowledge to advanced control systems to design techniques, there's a professional development program waiting for you at training.hunterindustries.com. Beyond delivering superior products and educational opportunities, we also strive to provide you with the tools you need to work smarter and grow your business. My Design is the newest online tool from FX Luminaire. Free to use and easy to access through the cloud. It works in conjunction with My List to help you create beautiful designs and close sales faster. Check it out at fxl.com or see us for a live demo. Along with My Design, we have a vast library of free online resources available for irrigation and outdoor lighting professionals of all backgrounds and skill levels. Each is designed to increase your knowledge and professionalism, as well as your bottom line. My List and the Site Rec app are just a couple of the valuable resources at your disposal. They'll help you elevate your brand and operate more efficiently, so you can run your business like a pro, deliver better customer service, and stay prepared for whatever challenges the future may hold. In 2022, you'll also get more opportunities to visit our Virtual Engagement Center, or VEC. We introduced this unique online experience last year as a fun and engaging way to stay up to date with Hunter and FX Luminaire product solutions. Over the coming year, we plan to use this space to support both live and virtual events. Inside the VEC, check out the Tour Guides tab for self-guided tours. When you complete the tasks listed there, you can earn a limited edition Gold Hunter wrench to commemorate our 40th anniversary. You can also pull up the upcoming events tab to see what exciting shows and promotions are coming next. No matter when you stop by, there's always something new to explore at the VEC. Check it out at vec.hunterindustries.com. Another way to learn about Hunter and FX Luminaire products is through online engagement activities. Next year, the Hunter Coins platform will evolve into our newest program, the Vault. Inside the Vault, you can unlock a variety of rewards through 2022 by completing tasks, such as taking the new Irrigation Installation Fundamentals program from Hunter University, answering weekly trivia questions, and more. What kind of rewards could you win? Check out one of this year's biggest giveaway prizes, this cool retro car featured in this year's Irrigation show booth, a 1981 classic Corvette. Then enter the Vault for your chance to win amazing prizes in 2022. We want to sincerely thank all of our valued customers who have supported us over the past 4 decades. Whether you're new to the Hunter Industries family of companies or have been with us for many years, we look forward to strengthening our partnership with you in the future.